people, easier one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? My darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, Wahala be like bicycle, my darling people. Today topic na about like this dey happen for this world, sha. Like seriously, my darling people. This one na sugar daddy and side chick wahala. Na it come out today, oh. My ogbonge people, today topic na about side chick and sugar daddy. Wey be say their wife not dey reach them. Na their matter I wan talk about today. My ogbonge people, this man, he get beautiful wife for house. He get wife for house. He say his wife no reach am. Na side chick na he wan come go dey carry. Now he leave his wife, oh, he come go dey carry side chick. As he dey carry the side chick, my darling people, una lis ten know so that una go know how una go take comment for this matter. So the man, in with a side chick, he dey carry side chick, he dey jogodo side chick. The thing dey sweet am, e dey sweet am for body. So I no come know way along the line. I no really know wetin the man come do am. Na the side chick, na he pour correct groundnut oil wey dey hot, like e dey hot, you know. He come pour am for the man body. So as he pour am for the man body, the man back come fine. Hey, the man come even cute pass how e fit be before. My darling people. So people come dey blame the girl, say, why you go do this kind thing now? I was like, wow. This girl just pour groundnut oil wey go make the man back fine well. Sugar daddy na. He back come fine, my darling people. Wetin una expect? Ukona be one make go pour water for your body. No, that groundnut oil come make it back fine well. No say the back before it be too smooth. Nah, it come make jaga. It come be like wetin trailer pass. And so the back come be now. Wetin una expect, my darling people? So people come dey blame the girl. They say why she go do that kind thing? Why she go do that kind thing to the man? E no good. This, that. They wan carry police to arrest the girl. Say what? If na me be police, I don't go arrest that girl. That girl do am well, like seriously. The girl too do am well. Wetin I wan arrest am for? Wey be say my own husband, he John too much, he no wan keep am for only me one. He say na he wan go carry her the jogodo another side chick for her side. Wetin una come expect? Okay, una come expect say the side chick now, the side chick now go come just you know, can't do what he's supposed to do. And maybe you no want give the side chick money now. That side chick pour correct groundnut oil for your body. So this one a very good blessing to men who be say that they always they cheat on their wife. This one a very good big blessing for them. I be my darling people. How can a man go get wife for house? His wife no go reach am. He go send a side chick. Now he wan come go dey carry, my darling people. Wetin una expect? Wetin una expect? Okay, una be expect say make the girl not treat am like that. In case of a fellow colleague dem wey dey do like am go see am, they go say dey careful for side chick body, because some men own don too much really. Some men they no dey even near their wife for house again because of side chick. They go tell a side chick, give me different style, give me back, give me touch your toe, give me this, give me a back, set and wear. But their own wife for house, he go say, he go just lie down, lo. He go say, your wife go even say, make I give you style. He go say, no worry. You know, say you don't too old for all those things now. But the side chick, who tell you say we don't too old for all those things? Who tell una say we not too old for all those things? Say we not fit do different style again. But now wetin some men they think. They go say no, you not too old for all those things now. Young girls they do all those ones. But if you carry side chick, you go tell the side chick, wide and wear, open wear, do this way. But he go tell the wife for her say no, you don't too mature for all those things, you know. Some ogbonge people, we will come back for the matter when I dey talk for here. The side chick, what did he do this man? Una wan blame am. Una let me know for the comment section, sha, because for me, oh, I not blame the side chick. Oh, now what did the man deserve? Now he just get so, yeah. Because this kind of man now, you go surprise, say, he wife, he don't tell when he jogo do his wife fresh. He don't tell, not they even near his wife again. But he want go carry side chick for her side. So who know, maybe the money when he promised the girl, he not gonna give the girl again. Maybe. People say the money was supposed to give the girl, he not gonna give am, now can't make the girl come do am wetin he do am. So you understand? Because I don't see reason wey go make a married man begin dey not be the same makeups wey the side chick girls now your wife get for house. Not be the same. Me not really know why some men go just they enjoy side chick more than their own wife. Why? Because maybe you don't promise the girl money now, you get one thing when they do the girl, now when you make the girl invest, say no, this man, I must bath you with this groundnut oil, this hot groundnut oil. Like say bath am. I see the man body confine. When I need to see the man body, he confine past the way he felt be before. He confine. So people they blame the because the place when people see the video, I look their comments, so they blame the side chick. I say, how am I going to blame the side chick now? The man, he deserve what he get. I mean, my darling people, wanna leave on a comment. If I dey lie, if Lady J dey lie, leave your comment for the comment section. If this man not deserve what he get, make you still leave your comment for the comment section, my darling people. Anything you wanna think about the video, wanna leave on a comment, because for me, he deserve what he get. Oh, because if your wife they okay for you, you know, can't go the jogodo side chick for her side. You understand? So my ogbonge people, on the matter where they grand do, maybe this one no side chicky pour correct groundnut oil for sugar daddy body.